All right. So right now I went ahead and replaced this fill valve. It wasn't stopping when it reached the top of the float. So I went ahead and put a new one in there. But I noticed that the height was lower from the water line, so I went ahead and adjusted this guy. There's two ways of adjusting it. There's this guy right here, which brings the float up and down. So if the float is at the highest, that's the highest level you're going to be able to get of water. The other way is this guy right here. You just pop this little ring up, and what's it called, you are able to either push it in or bring it down. And that allows you to bring it up. Normally when you adjust it though, you don't want that to be any higher than the rim, because you still got to put the lid on. But those are the two ways of adjusting the fill valve. Other than that, my name's Edwin with Champion Plumbing and Drain Specialist. You guys have a good day.